Hello viewers, welcome back to LeadFlex. In this video we are going to learn how to design blog in a GoHighLevel. It's a super easy. I will guide you step by step. So I will show you what we are going to achieve in this video. That's just basic. We will set menu categories. We can set profession teams team section, and also here we can add more blog section area, and here we have some FAQs and information about our blogs and newsletter as well, and here we have footer. So let's dive into video and I will show you how we can do this step by step. So right now I have login in my GoHighLevel, so let me move this here, and also we can start from here. So first of all we need to go to site area, and here we can see the blog area section. We need to create our blogs around about 2, 3, 4, 5 whatever you want to create blog, but I have already created one blog here. In this blog I will add some more posts as well. It's a one blog. For example, you have two blog, one is for your GoHighLevel, one is for your agency. So I have this for agency, and if we want to create for GoHighLevel blog, for GoHighLevel information, I need to create one more blog here, and under this blog we will create more posts. We will create more blog posts, we will create categories, we will create internal linkings, external linking, and we will link domain, and we will do SEO in internal this when we will log in this blog. So right now we have one blog, so I will log in. Okay, I will show you how you can create it. Just super easy. Create new blogs. You need to select blog title. For example, we will say test blog, and here we need to select domain. I already have select domain, and we say test blog. I just put this random name. You can put your name, whatever you want to add here. I just click on by mistake domain section, so that's why it's bringing me the domain. We can say blog test here and spell is wrong. Test blog. You can select domain, and you can put your subdomain, and if you have specific domain you can add your domain in a setting area, and after that you are able to select domain here. And we will say F2. It should be available for blog. Yeah, it's available. So we will write some description about our blog, but right now I'm not writing anything here, so you can just simply create the blog. So right now you can see we have two blogs in our GoHighLevel. One is for LeadFlex blog, another is a test blog. It's just creating and loading. Yeah, it's created. I will go to back in our blog area. Yeah, you see we have two published blog. One is a LeadFlex blog, one is a test blog. So we are going to work on another LeadFlex blog here. I just click on it, and here we can post our here we can post our articles, our blog post, and our categories. Each and everything we can set here. So first of all, what we can do, I just publish one article here. I will publish few more articles as well. I just create some categories as well. So what we need to do here, we need to just add category here. You can check your preview your blogs, and you can check your settings as well here. So right now we have only one category here, and if you can check your filter, and if you have more blogs, more blog content post, so you can use your filter according to your requirement. So here we have already one blog here. So what we can do, we can add more blog here. We have two options here. Either we can import from another blog, or it should be a WordPress or something else where you want to import here. And another option is we can use our we will create new blog here. So I will create new blog here. For example, I can say that this is I just copy some content from here. That's my agency website. I just copy some blogs here. It should be easy to add. Instead of title, I can say this is a description. I need to change image here, and it's loading. Yeah, I need to just select this image, and I need to put here. And for SEO purpose, you can also add your alt tag. It should be your keyword or relevant word that you want to rank on a Google. It's for SEO. I will say that GHL for now. Okay, just created another blog templates, and here we have all blog. Here we have title, and here you can edit your all requirement. For example, I just copy content from here as well. And if you want to add image here, just check below, and here is your image icon. Select your image. I will say that if you want to create with AI, you can use this AI creator, or you can upload from gallery, but right now I'm going to upload from gallery, and it's asking for alt for SEO purpose, so I've just name is SEO. And if you want to set this image, you can set according to your requirement, but right now I'm not going to set, and spending some time on it. So you can do your own, and you can design your blog according to your requirement, and you can put your more blogs, more things here, more content. And here it's a simple UI, like a Microsoft Word. You can design according to your requirement. So I'm going to the next step. So for example, I can save this blog, and I will save this, and then I will continue. Yeah, I continue here. In the next step, we need to do some SEO stuff. We need to add canonical link here. Canonical is a SEO term. You can Google it, but I will just simply guide you. It's basically two type of articles. For example, you have write two article. One is a GHL support and one is a GHL guide, but you want to rank on a Google in a same word. So in this case, you need to give to one URL priority or one article priority. So you need to put your canonical link here. So otherwise you can learn about canonical links on a Google as well. So here we need to add categories. Right now I have one category, so I will say that GHL guide. I will select SEO title here. I will that's a category image. I need to GHL guide. That's the main URL you need to put here. We need to put our, we will say GHL. All tag should be your main keyword, but right now I'm just putting this keyword. So you can add this category description as well, but I'm not adding something else. You can please play on your own according to your own brand. So I need to select, I have two category, one is a test, another one is this one. So I'm going to select this one. If you want to show on a both category, you need to just select both category here as well. So select your main keywords. For example, I will want to rank my blog here GHL guide, and select the author. You need to create your author. For example, you want to create your own name and brand, and I just show you how it's look when I come to the author page. Yeah, you see that's my blog, and it's look like a author bio and author details. So you need to put your author bio and author detail here. And right now I am not going to do much things. For example, I say leads flex is author, but you can put your own name. And here we are going to select another image, but right now I'm not going to select image. I am GHL. Let me copy this from that's a role of lead flex. You can put your all social media link here. It's look like this one where we have open our blog. I'll just show you how it's look. Where is my blog? Yeah, if you add your icon, it will be look like this one. You can put your all links. So for now I'm going to put this one. No, it's not accepting this a complete URL, so you need to put your URL here. I'm going to create author, so we will assign to the author as well. And here we have three options. One is if you want to save in a draft, you want to publish, and you want to schedule. So I want to publish it. It's asked for date, so I will select the today date. and is asking for time, not asking for time. And yeah, that's your blog is published. Here another 2 blog is published. So that's a simple and easy way you can publish your blog. In the next video I will show you how you can do SEO and how you can do some keyword search for GHL and how you can get rank in a Google as well. So in the next video I will guide you. So right now I'm going to blog and I will design my blog as well. For example, I will click here. Here is the basic blog structure that GoHighLevel have, but we are going to design custom blog in just few seconds. It's loading. Yeah, it's load. Yeah, you see that's a home section of blog. It's look like this, but you can change according to your requirements. This is a standard. It will be you can show all title, these all the things, but right now I will going to show you all this stuff, how you can do this. Okay. Okay, these are all settings, but right now I'm going to do this custom and manual, so you will get idea how it's look on our blog area. So right now it's look like this one, but definitely we are going to change it. Okay, this is something like this, but I'm going to change it, no worry about that. So what we can do here, we are going to our site and our website area. Here we have already one blogger template, so you can select from there, or you can create it on your custom, but I will show you how it's working and how I did for my blog. It's loading right now, and here we can edit our complete blog. I just added basic things, but you can edit according to your requirement and according to your design. It's a super easy. I just bring one you can say that one design, and I just put it. I just get this I just design this menu. It's super easy. I just take from here navigator menu, and just I just take this one and do some customization here. For example, I can say that I just increase the height and font and these things. You can design according to your requirement, and after that I just put this read button here, and that's all setting in here. And these sections I will use same element, feature image, and with feature image I just link with this button to our main category of blogs, so it will be going on the blogs. So right now I just designed this post as well, so I will show you this in a preview icon, so you will get it how it's look like that. And also you see we have 2 posts here, but we need to do some work on it, and we need to more customization. We need to do more customization as well. So here we can play, for example, we can change the font and sub font size, everything we can do in a tweak, and we can do some editing and design according to our requirement. But I just did basic things, and after that I just designed footer, I just designed some this section and put their information as well. So it's a super easy. For example, here I can add another section. What we can do here, I can add here, and we'll say full width, and in a full width section I'm going to select one column. In one column I'm going to select blog post. You see blog post, I just select it, it will be appear here. So we have 2 style. We can select this one, or we can select this one. It's up to you which one you want to select. After that we need to select category. For example, we have 2 blogs. Here is 2 blog appear. We will go to lead flex, we will say recent post. It will be show according to the post and according to the data, and it's also asking for a category and author, recent author and recent post. But right now I'm going to select this one, and after that in the post section it will ask for category, which category they want to show blog. It's up to you, you can select which category you want to select the blog. And in advanced area we have some design, we have some border and shadow and colors and margin and padding stuff. You can play with it. It's a super easy. It's like Elementor or Wix or something like this. It's a super drag and drop. If you need any help regarding blog design, customization, blog writing with the or you want to import your WordPress blog into GoHighLevel, I'm here to help you. That's my website, Leads Flex. So you can go to search on a Google Leads Flex. Its first site will be appear, and you can book free consultation. I will completely guide you how you can get this. Otherwise, if you can go with my affiliate link in a video description or channel description. If you can go with my affiliate link, I will book your free consultation. I will guide you. I will give you 1 month free of cost support, and I will design your all landing page automations and all the stuff as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can import blog from your WordPress site to GoHighLevel, and thank you so much for watching.